folks, man? This is Monk, man. We back outside. We got a new pair of kicks for you to look at today, man. And today we're going to be looking at the Nike Utilitarian Jordan 1. And this is an interesting shoe. I saw it and immediately it piqued my interest, man. You know me, I like the wild stuff that most people don't have. You know, I love, looking for the more unconventional shoe designs. And this is definitely, man, they seen me coming. But they did go pretty much all out with this packaging. It looks like the inside of this box is maybe the reverse. So it's got like the normal Nike box color. But let's get a look at these, man. So this is an interesting detail. As soon as you open the box, do get a look at this bag. So that's a carrying bag for the shoe. It's pretty cool. You also get a card, for this thing. So yeah, AJ1 High OG Utility is written on that. But on the inside, it also has some details, some interesting details right here. So the bags that come on the back of these shoes, they're actually removable. And it seems like you can remove them and attach them to the bag itself through these loops to add, I guess, extra storage to the bag. Or if you don't want to wear the bags, with the shoes. So I'll show you the example of it. So here's the bag right here. And these are the loops that you could attach the, the bags that on the back of the shoes that they come in. You can attach them to that. This color is crazy. It's actually like an infrared color, yo. That's definitely not the normal Nike orange or red. That's the infrared color on the inside of this. But let's take a look at one of these, man. Wow, this is a crazy shoe right here. We got this tag here. Infrared on the tag as well. Another, it's got more descriptive features of the shoe, indicating that, there's bags on the sides and the back bag that you can store stuff in. But yeah, so this is a crazy design, man. Look at that, dude. This thing is hitting you with the impact. Typical Air Jordan 1 design shoe with some bonuses, man. Like specifically these pouches. This one right here, you can lift it up. I think it's got a spacer just to keep the shape. It's a little foam spacer. You can take that out, but that's gonna keep the shape. So that's a storage pouch right there, which is pretty cool. And you also get one on the other side, which opens the other way, yo. This one opens sideways. And we've got another spacer in here, which is pretty cool. These are crazy, man. Just the nooks and crannies, man. I will describe this material. It's all canvas on this upper. The swooshes look like they're screen printed, and this feels like all nylon, ripstop nylon, so that it's going to be hard for it to snag and take damage that way. This shoe, because it's made out of that material, is super light, bro. Like this thing is probably the lightest Jordan 1 I've ever held in my hands. You know what I'm saying? This thing, it doesn't even feel like a pound, dude. Like, that's crazy right there. But everything else is pretty much Jordan. We got the typical Jordan tongue tag. The tongue, feels similar to what we would get on the Jordan. Yeah, we got an infrared sole insert right here as well. So I guess the big difference on these would be that they're lacking the swoosh that runs the entire length of the shoe, typically. But let's get this bag off. So they kind of hook in, which is pretty cool. So you can take these off. You can, wear them on if you want, or maybe keep one on one shoe, which I probably would do, or you keep both. But this is crazy, man. Like this is actually really good looking shoe, man. Really solid, really sturdy. The canvas, even though it is canvas, it does have a lot of shape to it. I guess that might, compromise if you, wear them a lot. But this heel is definitely reinforced. Feels sturdy enough that definitely going to keep its form. But actually, this reminds me of the Vandal High, actually, the Nike Vandal High, because of the canvas material. These are pretty hard, dude. So the color, I would say it's not full on black except for the swooshes. Everything else are different tones of gray, I think it's going to be cool to kind of mix them up, Maybe you'll keep the pouch on one of them. This could probably come in handy, maybe in the summertime. You got an outside festival or something like that. You can stash a lighter in there, maybe a little bit of your greeneries, you know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. Fire. I think that's it, folks, man. I'm going to give you the 360 view. I'm going to give you the on-feed view, man. But I think that's it, man. It's been another episode of Monk's Box, man. We're going to catch you later, man. Peace.